Hello, my name is Kareem with the Inlinks team, and in this video I'm going to lay out a method on how you can do an internal linking audit on Inlinks. For this video, I'm going to take the example of a website about keto diet, which is called rule.me. So as I can see here, this site is about keto diet and using keto to for weight loss and for better health. This site has a good internal linking structure. In some of the main articles, the owners have placed internal links towards other pages. So overall, it has a good internal linking structure. So I'm going to start by copying the domain of this website and going to my Inlinks account here, creating a project. I'm going to put the domain, then select the target market here. I'm going to choose English United States, click on next. Then I'm going to build a project with the core 100 most important pages of the website. So we only need for a primary audit to take the 100 most important pages in order to see which internal links have been placed and which internal links have been missing. So I'm going to choose to create a project with 100 pages, which will be the 100 most important pages of the sites that are bringing the most organic traffic. Click on OK and click on Proceed. And then the Inlinks tool is going to find what are the topics that are been speaking about, or the entities that are being speaking about within these 100 pages. So I'm going to shorten this video until all the 100 pages are being analyzed by the Inlinks tool. Once we have our 100 pages analyzed within of the Inlinks project, we need to accomplish a very important step, which is analyzing or targeting the pages to their corresponding topics within of the project. I'm not going to delve much into the details of targeting a page to a corresponding topic or an entity within of Inlinks, but in a nutshell, this is the process where you choose to target a page with a corresponding entity. I'm going to give you a couple of examples here. So I see this page here about keto calculator. So this whole site is about keto diet. And what we're going to do is click here on target. The tool is going to show us the entities being analyzed by the tool within the content of this page. And from here, we need to select what is the corresponding convenient entity. So let's say this is mainly about, I'm going to select the entity of calculator. This page I see is the keto coffee recipe. So I'm going to click on target and associate this with the entity of coffee. This page is about best low carb fruits for keto diets. So I'm going to click on target and I'm going to choose the main entity here, which is fruits. Okay, let's try some 2-3 other ones. Keto friendly alcohol. I'm going to click on target and choose alcoholic beverage. Best keto sushi roll recipe. I'm gonna target that with the entity here of sushi. And I've seen there's a page here about the comprehensive guide to vegan keto diets. I'm gonna click here on choose veganism. So you get the idea. So here it says this is a very important step where you target your pages with their corresponding topics. I'm going to do a couple of more topic associations and shorten this video. I'm going to show you the internal links that have been created. Upon targeting some pages with their corresponding topics, in this case I have targeted 12 pages out of all the 100 pages of the website. I can give you some an example here just to get an overview by going to target pages. So here I have 12 pages for which I have targeted their corresponding topics. For instance, this one I have targeted that with the entity of pizza. We see fruit here with this page, veganism, this one with the ketogenic diets, and so on and so forth. And once we have targeted enough pages here within the project, we can go to this tab, internal links. So this will give us an overview about the internal link score. So this is the first metric to look at. So this internal link score is a proprietary metric of Inlinks, which has a formula. I'm going to keep this page underneath this video so you can have a better look on our internal linking score. So in a nutshell, the Inlinks internal link score is a metric which shows the percentage of link opportunities missed, and we have a formulation to calculate this. So we can see here that their internal link score is 36.3% for all the topics of the project. So ideally, we would want to reach an internal link score of 100%. So in this case, the tool has detected that there are 97 existing hard-coded links for all the important topics, such as ketogenic diet, ketosis, coffee, and so on. And the tool can potentially create 134 internal links. So if we were to add all these 134 internal links that are have been created by the tool, the internal linking score will reach 100%. So let's check an example of a specific topic. Let's take an example of the topic of ketosis here. So for the ketosis topic, the internal linking score is 13.2%. There are 5 existing links where that we can actually show them. If you click on show, so there are 5 internal links for ketosis from source pages, and the tool can create 25 other internal links. So if I go back here to the topic list and specifically to ketosis, so here are the links, 25 links the tool can create for ketosis from the source pages where the ketosis has been mentioned, and all you see the anchor text will have a relation with ketosis. So since we're using entities, the tool can also create semantically related terms to ketosis as well as internal links. Let's see another example of a topic, the topic of coffee here. So for the topic of coffee, we have an internal linking score of 50%, 10 existing hard-coded links. I can actually show them here, keto-proof coffee. And if I go back to the topic list about coffee, the tool can potentially create 7 internal links from other source pages where coffee has been mentioned here. And this is if we were to these 7 internal links are built, the internal linking score for the topic of coffee will reach 100%. So this is an audit, and at the same time is a gap analysis with regards to the links that the tool can potentially create. So who can use this audit? So if you're an SEO agency, an SEO expert, you would want to do an audit of the core 100 pages of a website, and you can provide this data to your clients, saying to them, okay, you're based on the core 100 pages of your website, the internal linking score is the X%, and you could potentially create these missed internal linking opportunities to reinforce the internal linking structure of the website. If you're a website owner, you can do an audit as well by bringing those 100 most important pages and see where you have placed the existing links with regards to the most important topics, and where you can potentially reinforce the missed internal linking opportunities and actually place them within of your website. Okay, so I hope that this video is useful if you're looking to do an internal linking audit for your website. I'm going to keep underneath this video some resources about targeting pages to corresponding topics on Inlinks, as well as this resource on how we calculate our internal linking score. Thank you very much.